Hello, boys and girls. So, we are going to be focusing on what is called an index, and you will find the index in the back of a book. So, in Sea Monsters, the story that we have been reading and we have just finished up, the back of the book is where you'll find your index. And I just want to kind of go over what an index is and how to use it so that you will be able to, every time you're reading, usually indexes are what you will find in nonfiction books. So it will be able to help you find information quickly. And so that will help you when you are needing to cite your information when you are responding to questions. So an index will actually go alphabetically. Notice how they have um, kind of chunked these out with A, B, and you'll see C over here, and D. All of them will keep on going. And so, for instance, do you remember when they were talking about Jules Verne race, where he was going around the world trying to find all these things? So you would just go over here, you would go to J, you would look for J, and there's Jules Verne race. And then notice the numbers. This is the page number. So this is the page number. If I was to ask you a question and I asked, who was in the race? Who started the race? And you'll go, well, that was Jules Verne. And I know this because it says so on page 99 through 101. Okay, maybe I'm going to go and ask something about where would you find tentacles in the book? So again, you're going to go over here. You're going to look down for your alphabet. Tentacles starts with a T, and look at all these different page numbers. Well, you're not going to answer a question usually with just putting in all these page numbers. You will pick one. You'll pick a page, maybe on page 34, and you will look for the word tentacles on page 34, and then you will cite that source on page 34 as where you went to answer the question. All right. The other thing that we want to look at here in an index is what you're going to find is going to have these words that are italicized. See how they're leaning a little to the right there? Italicized words in an index are words that are the proper names or places of what the book is talking about. So, for instance, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, it is a proper name because it is the title of a book. Over here, here we have that Xiphactinus. Is that right, how we spell it? Well, that's how you spell it. But how would I pronounce it? Well, I can find out again by going to page 91. And I can also answer the question on what a Xiphactinus is. Oh, goodness. I think I need to go back and check that again so I can make sure. So use your indexes whenever you are asked to cite a source and cite the page, and you can say, I know there was a paragraph somewhere that was talking about the hairy anglerfish. So I'm going to go to my index. Where was it? I'm going to look under hairy, which starts with an H, and it's going to tell me go to page 69. So I will go back to my page 69 and be able to find that. So this is a good tip for you to know as you are moving forward, as we are all moving forward with our informational reading and writing, that when I ask you to use evidence and cite your sources, use the index. That's going to help you.